Hey y'all, I'm over here at Lowe's and I had to get a couple of things for the market, some more rope cones and all. But anyway, I'm over here. I want to show you what the 2-hole cinder blocks are. It is another question that I have been given. I'm going to put this on our new updated vendor booth setup page. I'm going to be redoing that, so this video will go over there. I want to show you what I'm talking about. So I'm at Lowe's, and their 2-hole cinder blocks are in the lumber department, okay? I think Home Depot has them out in the garden and lawn area outside, but let me show you. Okay, so we're in lumber. So these are them, okay? So I pulled one out. These things are heavy. They're not exactly the best to haul around, but I can't lift it with one hand. So they're pretty good weight, okay? So they're the two, see, they're solid on the side, but they got the 2 holes, and they're concrete, all right? They have a stack of them, okay? They have a stack of them. And their price is that, okay? Like I said, they're like a buck or two, all right? Okay, so with these, what we do, well, like you guys do, is like the foot of your tent can go up underneath one of these, okay? And then you just rope the whole, put some rope around, like the center part, and then tie that up to your top of your tent, okay? I see some that do it like this. This may keep the weight down, but you don't have it on the foot of your tent, and this could fall over real easily. I don't want to do it. There's a couple of kids over here. So anyway, but it'll fall over. So if a wind gust comes by and picks up the top of that tent, it acts like a parachute. So I don't want this falling over, okay? So I want them flat on the ground to where you can put it on the tent, okay? Well, on the foot of your tent, and then rope it to the top. That makes sense. A little bit more clear seeing it than me, trying to post a bunch of photos for you. So I hope this helps out. You want one of these on each leg of your tent. So this will definitely help get you started. So anyway, just be, hold on. Just be safe whenever you use them, okay? We don't want them falling on a foot. They're pretty heavy. They're a little bit of a pain to haul around, but it's better than using those black donuts, okay? Anyway, I got more things I got to do today. Just wanted to show you these real quick, okay?